I'm Susanna Cox, race chair for the Race for the Cure, Central Georgia affiliate of Susan G. Komen for the Cure, and I'm here so excited to be talking to Sheila Henderson. She's the manager of the breast center for the medical center here in Macon, Georgia, but that's just her day job. She seems to sort of embody a lot of what breast health needs here in this community, and so she well, I'll let you I'll let Sheila tell a little bit about what she does, but I'm just so excited to hear the really so many elements that she's involved with concerning breast health. So Sheila, tell me about, first of all, your day to day, what you deal with and what sort of women you see day to day.
Okay. Well, first of all, we are a recipient of the Komen Grant, so we see patients on a daily basis that have screening mammograms, and sometimes they turn into more than screenings. They require diagnostic and follow-up, and the Komen Grant has allowed us to see these patients and treat them, and it's just been wonderful, a wonderful experience. We also have radiologists there that can do procedures. We have biopsies that are performed, and there's just multiple facets to the breast center. This month is Paint the Town Pink Month, and we're heavily involved in that. And we're trying to participate in many events that are happening downtown. Like tonight, we're packing the park in pink, and also the Mulberry Street on Wednesdays. And if anyone would be interested, you can go to our website, paintthetownpinkmacon.org,
Good.
and see a calendar of events.
Awesome. So, and I hear we got Race for the Cure coming up in just about a week, and we're so excited about it. It's the 12th year we've done it here in Central Georgia, and I'm excited because we've got a whole new race course. We're running through downtown more, and we're having all survivors are free this year. I'm not sure if you knew that or not, but that's awesome. And we got some fun things for the kids that day, and just really excited about the support and the partnerships we've been able to develop this year. And part of that is also certainly our teams, and we're so excited about our teams. And I understand you're involved with not one but two teams.
Yes.
So
tell
me about that.
Yeah, the medical center is a major sponsor of the event, and we have two teams. The team Busting It for Breast Cancer is for the hospital, and then we have a support group called Pink Alliance, and we have 17 survivors signed up already.
Oh my gosh!
For the Pink Alliance team.
Wow!
So yeah, we're
awesome.
Really excited about the whole day.
So exciting. Good. Well, and I guess have you also just to hear about Doctors for the Cure?
Yes,
yeah,
we share those. We have a breast conference every week.
Great.
So we share those with the phizicians that attend there. And
that's great. Good. Yeah. So Doctors for the Cure. This is the first time we're doing that here in Komen Central Georgia. Also, it's an event, a possibility for every doctor here in Macon or in the Central Georgia area to be able to have their part in the race, and their contributions offset the cost for survivors to be free at our race. So we're really excited about that. Well, Sheila, thank you. I'm excited. I think we might go back and hear a little bit of music now. So thank you.